ERA Dorchester Dragway. We got all of the guys down from North Carolina as far as Pennsylvania. Alabama came down here to show some support, try to race these cars and try to win this money. As you can see, I'm a cameraman fan around. We got a nice little crowd out here. Want to get out here, enjoy some of the good times that we got going on. We haven't started the car show yet. Just a good time, as you can see. Come out and enjoy us, Dorchester Dragway.
Fat Cat from Kennedy, South Carolina. Got an 82 Toyota, small block Chevrolet. Runs good. I'll pull everything off the stick before my next
My name is Nigel Alexander from Conover, North Carolina. This is the Brutal Speed and Tuning 98 Dodge Neon SRT4 swap with automatic transmission and 71mm. Just looking to run some fast times today here at Dorchester.
My name is Josh Thompson from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is my Dodge Neon SRT4. Got a 67mm turbo on it, built motor. Just trying to do the best we can today. First test hit, ground came out of the two-step box and killed the ignition, so we're just going to keep giving it our best today and see if we can get a better time. It was from the movie.
Howard Show from Concord, North Carolina. It's a 95 Honda Civic hatchback. Makes 1100 horsepower.
My name is Wes Spry from Charlotte, North Carolina, and I drive a 95 Honda Civic Coupe.
Yeah, there's one back here.
I missed Howard.
I'm Donnie Scott from Rome, Georgia. 88 CRX, H2B. About it.
My name is Dustin Barger. It's a 93 Honda Civic, K20, stock bottom end, turbo. I'm from Hickory, North Carolina. And
bitch.